COPD isn't the end. Your lungs can rebuild naturally. Here are 3 powerful steps. Number 1, cut inflammation. Omega-3s, turmeric, vitamin B5, and vitamin C keep your airwaves open. Tip number 2, regenerate lung tissue. NAC, N-acetylcysteine plus GHKCU, copper peptide, help repair damage and boost glutathione for protection. Tip number 3, retrain your breathing. Inhale 4 seconds, hold 7, exhale 8. This strengthens your diaphragm and improves oxygen flow. Do this daily and you'll notice less breathlessness, more energy, and better lung function. Follow me for natural lung healing tips and DM me for your free consultation link.